old jack handle that we're using to put inside of the wrench right here, and that's how we're losing them up. Go ahead, do that one right there. All right, let's see. There you go. Once the sucker is in and it wants to be difficult, there we go. Oh, listen to that. You know, this vehicle comes from up north. That's why it's kind of rusted right here. So let's go ahead and take these off. Let's see where we're at. Come on. Do you mind holding this for me? Yeah. Thank you, Arturo. I really appreciate it. Yeah, last time you were the MVP with the Hyundai video. Shout out, this man did the Hyundai video. All right, this one. And this one. At first I was doubting it, but man, this guy's right. Alright, let's take this out right here, right there.
Bring the oil.
Alright, come on. Follow me real quick. Let me show you. This is the old one. Alright, I'm going to put it like this, like this. Now we're going to take up the new ones. And we're going to do a comparison so you guys can see that it's very important to replace your brakes. Alright, this is the old one, and this is the new one. Look how much more meat there is right there. You can't be driving around with this, man. You need to put this on your car, make sure you have enough brakes, because when it comes to stopping, you gotta stop. Okay, now these are the rotors right here. Oh yeah. And these puppies are slotted, whatever, fucking like this, brand new. Everything. So we're about to show you right now how we're gonna put them in, and hopefully it goes well. So here we go. All right, you can cancel that. Slotted, yeah. It's slotted.
Okay. Vamos a voltear el.
Oh, let's take that. Let's do this front.
No, that one. We need to put it straight so you can work better.
I gave you the key, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Here. Are your hands dirty?
No.
Mine. Watch your step. And we start the car one more time. Go ahead, keep going. All right, there we go. There we go. Oh, yeah, once again, remember, make sure that this doesn't dangle up there. It's going to damage your brake line. This. Let me see. There we go. So once it's dangling from up there, it's right there, so your brake line doesn't suffer all that. Now we need a Phillips screwdriver to remove these two screws right here and to get this rotor out of there. All right, here we go.